Let's go through every setting in your Whatomation Shopify app. Step 1. In the Whatomation menu, open Settings. Step 2. This is your control panel. Application status turns the entire app on or off, and you choose whether notifications go to the shipping number or the billing number. Step 3. Prefer a different language? Just open the language dropdown and pick the one you need. Instantly, the whole dashboard speaks it, every label and every menu. Step 4. Abandoned cart follow-ups are a single toggle. Order verification is one click, and it tags every order for you. Your verified and pending tags are already filled in. Step 5. First, grab your verification link. In your Shopify store settings, open Apps, then Whatomation. Scroll down to the app proxy URL and copy it. Then paste it into the verification URL and every order gets tagged. Step 6. Get warned before you hit your order limit. Add a WhatsApp chat button to your storefront and decide how order status updates. Then hit Save, and your settings are live. And that's it. Your whole app configured exactly the way you want. Automate every single order. Install Whatomation free on Shopify today.